Hello everyone, welcome back to Threshold Home Tuition. So our today's important concept is which of the following elements contains nucleus. So see guys, among RBC or erythrocytes, WBC or leukocytes and platelets, that is thrombocytes. Among these three, RBCs does not contain nucleus because in mature mammalian RBC, nucleus is absent. Also other cell organelles are absent because hemoglobin has to be in maximum amount because it has to bind with oxygen and carbon dioxide further. So RBCs does not contain nucleus. Then comes platelets. Platelets are fragments of megakaryocyte cell which are formed in red bone marrow. So this also does not contain nucleus. Then comes the last, WBC or leukocytes. So WBC contains nucleus and also it has amoeboid shape. Thank you guys.